Welcome to DIY Yolande.
Today we are going to learn how to wash our hands. We have been constantly reminded to wash our hands for 20 seconds or more, and that's exactly what I'm going to show us today.
Of this video, we're using acrylic paint as soap, and these gloves are your germ-infested hands.
This is what your hands look like when you only rub one side of your hands with soap.
The top of your hands are exposed, your fingers, in between your fingers, your wrist is exposed.
So you then rub the top of your hands, right? But you still see, you're still exposed.
When washing your hands, always ensure you wash the tips of your fingers, in between your fingers, your thumb, your wrist, your entire hands. Comment down below. I'd like to hear from you. How have you been washing your hands?
In order for your hands to be completely germ-free, you need to completely wash your hands. The tips, the sides, in between your fingers, the top, the bottom, and your wrist. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep safe. Peace.
Don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and follow me at Instagram at Yolande_Ntsele.